sleep to dream tonight. Fill the empty spaces that shadows left behind. You and I will create a new world deep within our minds. Though reality sometimes may seem imaginary, happiness is here within our reach. And though it can't be seen, the world created in our dreams, imaginary, I still feel all the same ways. Imaginary. Galaxies of lights surround and break down all the fears, the shadows left behind. Escape tonight to a clear blue sky. Just close your eyes and wave goodbye. Though reality sometimes may seem imaginary, happiness is here within our reach. Though it can't be seen, the world created in our dreams, imaginary, I still feel all the same ways. Imaginary.
The religion of the gun is the one that we profess. When the clock strikes 12, there's a bullet in your chest. Ride the bass like a horse, motherfuckers, we're the best. And there's nowhere you can hide in the wild, wild west. Once upon a time in the wild, wild west, anarchy reigned supreme. And people were losing hope in institutions, back then corrupted to the bone. There were only 4 entities left to withstand the chaos. Only these 4 to bring back the order. The good, the bad, the ugly, and the wild motherfuckers.
God, my fucking teeth.
I got a gun in my hand and a bullet with your name. Finger on the trigger, click, clack, okay? One slug for your head, another for your chest. Bang, bang, motherfucker, it's the Wild Wild West.
The good, the bad, the ugly, and the wild motherfuckers.
Nope. Oh my God.
All you're hitting next time when you're moving back, though.
Are you fucking kidding me?
When you were moving back, I shot you in the bed.
Where the fuck did you hit me? I fucking like 20 times back there before you start talking shit. Call your own fucking hit. You little fucking bitch.
He's on your team.
I didn't respond yet. I'm not doing anything. Oh,
I'm not so concerned with the beauty of this place as I am of the demons that infest it.